We guide you through how to fix Samsung touch screen not working. First, remove your phone case or screen protector if you have one. Then clean the screen with soft microfiber cloth to remove dirt or moisture. Next, force restart your Samsung device by holding the power button and volume down button together for about 10 to 20 seconds until it restarts. If the touch screen works after rebooting, the issue is likely temporary. If it still doesn't respond, boot your phone into safe mode to check if there's a third-party app is causing the problem. If the touch screen works in safe mode, uninstall any recently installed apps. You should also make sure your phone is updated by going to Settings, Software Update, then tapping Download and Install. If only part of the screen isn't responding or there's visible damage, it's likely a hardware issue that requires professional repair. If nothing really works, back up your data if possible and perform a factory reset as the last resort.